Ever wondered how to create a lush, vibrant garden in a desert or drought-prone area? Desert gardening is a fascinating venture, offering an array of drought-tolerant plants that thrive in water-scarce landscapes. Well, today we're going to show you how to create a thriving desert garden. The key to a successful desert garden lies in choosing the right plants. Think drought-tolerant like succulents, cacti, and native desert species. These types of plants are not just resilient and low in water requirements, they also add a unique aesthetic to your garden. Their varied shapes, sizes, and colors can create a stunning visual feast. Plus, they're champions of survival, thriving even in the harshest conditions. So, with the right plants, you're well on your way to creating a beautiful desert garden. Now that you have your plants, it's time to design your garden. Let's begin with plant placement. Consider clustering similar plants together for a striking effect. Next, add visual interest with rocks and landscape features. They not only enhance your garden's aesthetic, but also mimic the natural desert environment. Lastly, don't forget about sun exposure. Position your plants strategically to ensure they receive the right amount of sunlight. Remember, a desert garden isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. With thoughtful design, your desert garden can be a stunning, water-wise oasis. Creating your garden is just the beginning. Maintaining it is where the real magic happens. The beauty of a desert garden lies in its low maintenance requirements. Minimal watering, for instance, is key, as desert plants are adapted to thrive in dry conditions. Periodic pruning helps to maintain the health and appearance of your plants. Lastly, keep an eye out for pests. Despite the harsh conditions, they can still be a problem. With these maintenance tips, your desert garden will continue to thrive and impress. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about creating a desert garden. Select the right drought-tolerant plants, design with a keen eye, and maintain with diligence. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!